Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights to your Instagram profile without adding them to your story. Highlights are a great way to showcase your best content and keep it visible on your profile even after it disappears from your story. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step is to open your Instagram app. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and you need to go on Settings. After that, you need to go on Privacy by tapping on this button. When you come on this menu, you will see Story field, and tap on that. So next, go on Hide Story From. Now you will come on List of all your followers, and you need to select all your followers. Instagram doesn't have option to select multiple followers, so you need to select one by one. If you have a lot of follower, that process will be long, but we don't have another options. So when you do that, go to Add Picture or Video to your story. I will add this picture. And when you do that, go to Add Story, and wait 24 hours to story end. So next, you need to go on your profile and tap on this plus highlights button and add your last story. And when you do that, go to Remove Hide for Story of all your followers, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.